Zoho just released a new beautiful set of APIs named Zoho CRM version 7. In this version, Zoho added lots of beautiful functionality, including some abilities with Zia, the artificial intelligence, cloning records, and so on. In this video, I'm going to touch on 3 things that you can do with version 7 that I think are super cool. And hopefully you will also find it useful for you. If you are not a developer, this video is also for you because you can ask your developer to do those things for you based on this video. So first of all, as you can see on the screen, records cloning API. In the past, there was no option to clone records, which means, let's say that I'm a business and I will have recurring transaction. Let's assume that as long as the client is with me, I will like to clone the records automatically, which means right now I have deal number 1. This is $4,000 for web services. The following month, the client will pay automatically using Zoho Books. Whenever there is a payment, I can automatically instruct Zoho CRM to replicate the record, basically clone it, and then change some values on it, such as the closing date as an example. And this way I can have both Zoho Books and Zoho CRM synced with all the deals that the client is doing with me and also the payments which are taking place in Zoho Books. So this ability, the cloning, can be done on many things. This is one of them. The second one will be the export audit log. Sometimes the company will like to track what the employees are doing. And as the employee is doing different things, those things are being logged somewhere. And now you have the ability to actually download this audit log using API and you can review it. This audit log is available using CSV or a zip file, and you can push it also to a third party. Let's assume that you will have a third party that is auditing what your employees are doing. Or maybe you will have a third party application that is monitoring some actions. For example, which employee is deleting record. Right now, using the new API, you have the ability to export those and take advantage of this data. The last item that I want to share with you is the data enrichment. Now, Zia is the Zoho artificial intelligence. It's becoming better and better every month. And right now, using Zoho CRM API version 7, there is a way to take advantage of lots of Zia abilities. The enrichment is just one of them. The enrichment can be used whenever a lead is being created. Let's say that I will have the company name, or I will have the email address or the name of this person. I can push it to the data enrichment that belongs to Zia, and Zia will return to me more details about the lead. In the past, some people use Apollo and used other third-party applications that cost money and take time. Right now, you can do it in Zoho as part of your subscription. You can push the records automatically to the data enrichment. It will enrich the data and will be saved automatically in the record. For example, I will have the company name and automatically it will provide me the website address, their phone number, their physical address, and so on. To me, for example, that's really good because every time that we try to send an agreement, we need to have the company's physical address. Most of the time we need to call to the customer or manually do the data enrichment. Now we can do it automatically and pull the data enrichment, push it into the record, create the agreement. Everything is done automatically and I don't need a human to be involved in this process. Bottom line, I really recommend you to investigate what Zoho CRM API version 7 brings. They have lots and lots of great abilities. And again, I need to say that Zoho are just an amazing company. I'm saying it again, and I'm super fortunate to be part of their journey. they invest so much time and effort into creating the best in class CRM. And I think that they are there already, but they are still pushing forward. Instead of pushing money to sales, they push it into development. And their sell technique is selling the best in class CRM versus trying to sell marketing that this is the best CRM out there, because they did create something fantastic. Thank you very much for watching this session. If you like the session, thumbs up is always appreciated. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next session.